Almost ako bulkan ba yun?
Nama bulkan si kuya.
So when you say labor, ma'am, okay, that is frequency, duration, and interval of the contraction. Frequency, duration, and interval of the contraction. So when you say frequency, 3 contractions, okay? Duration, how many seconds to meet, magkakaroon ng contraction to another contraction. Hit natin, nag-contraction at around 9:25. So, ang next contraction niya, 9:27. So, we have 2 minutes na interval. Say duration and interval. So when you say frequency, how many times magko-contract? Duration, length of the contraction, okay, from length of contraction. Like for example, how many minutes or how many seconds the abdomen will be contracted. And the frequency is how many times you will have contraction. Okay? And interval, kung how many times you will have one contraction to another contraction. So the indicators for the mommy is that number 1, we have vital signs. Let's take a look at the heart rate, blood pressure, and temperature. May problema po ba tayo? Mataas po yung blood pressure. Okay, if the pressure is increased, it only means it could also lead to other problems. So we need to take up this one. Tingnan natin kung abnormal siya, tapos abnormal din ba ang BP, and we give some medication to control the blood pressure. Or else, pag malakas masyado ang blood pressure, mga my dear, it could cause the rupture of your blood vessel. Minsan na ang nakasakay diri og motor na ang dagan 180. Lumilipad ba siya patungong langit? Di ba yung 120 malakas na yun?